Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share my cute little jewelry hack with you. This Bivisen ring display case organizer is great for my small earrings. I'm not a huge earring girly, but it worked out perfect for my smaller earrings and all my stud earrings. I love that it has all the little ring slots so that all the earrings stay in place in a high quality felt. It's a great durable box that has a very pretty look to it. It's great for displaying, but also just to store and organize my jewelry. I love how it keeps all of my earrings in place. So if you needed a little hack like me and you want to store some small earrings, or maybe you actually want to store rings, this little jewelry case is perfect for that. I love that when I tuck it into my drawer, it just keeps everything neatly and safely in place, and I don't have to worry about it getting jumbled up. But if you don't want to tuck it away in a drawer, you can stack it neatly, and with this glass cover, it's gonna be nice and dust proof. Overall, just a great little jewelry case. I love it. I know you will too, and that's my point of view.